just like you, I'm always learning new things. Now, the other week my washing machine just stopped working, and fortunately for me it was still under warranty, so I was able to call and organise that the repair person contact me. Well, they said they weren't going to come out until we'd checked the filter, and I was like, filter? Where's the filter? And anyway, so this is a quick video of my husband cleaning the filter of our washing machine. But I want to point out is that we had unplugged it from the wall first, and we had also turned off the electricity at the electricity box for our house thing. So yeah, he's not wearing shoes, and there's water on the floor because it had putrid water in it, and he had to sort of empty it before he could even get to the filter to unblock it. But anyway, you'll see what I mean, and thank you for watching. Go!
Hi, I'm Paul Killeby from Active Domestics. No, but I am married to Lisa from Active Domestics. And she's got this washing machine, and she's phoned up because it stopped working. And they said, well, we're not going to get that looked at until you tell us that you've looked at the pump.
And the filter?
The pump filter, yeah. And so I just had a little 2-second squiz on Google, looked up the Hoover 7kg aftercare. It says this little thing here, you're supposed to open this once a month, undoing the little filter. I've actually got it in here.
Ah.
Here it is. This is what it's supposed to look like, clean. No.
Oh my God, it's got money.
Not only has it got money, it actually had this stuff in it as well. This is one of those, you know.
Oh, hang on, I'm holding it up too high. Right.
You know, you're supposed to clean your teeth with these things. So it's got all of this, looks like possibly even some foreign coinage. It's got all sorts of things. So apparently the aftercare video says once a month. Okay? So once a month, clean your filter. Not so hard. And apparently, it's worth watching that little other video because it's only a minute and a half. There's a little filter around the back you're supposed to.
Oh, you're going to check that too?
Oh, but not on this video. So, yeah.